Okay, we've got the mouth about where we want it here. We took our palm sander and sanded it down some, so now the mouth fits like it belongs there. So what we're going to do, we've cut out these 3 blocks, and these are going to go in here for our neck piece. So we're going to glue these together, set them aside to set up, and then we'll attach it to our neck piece. Most of this is going to get cut off, but I always leave this so I got something to grip to when I'm putting it in the vise, and then when I get it finalized on where it goes in here, then we'll cut this off. So we're going to glue these together, set them aside, let them dry, and then we'll move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I would appreciate that. I'm going to take one of these hooks, and that's going to go in here at the top of the head. That's for your spring to go on to. And it's easier to put this in before you put the neck pieces in. Then you don't have to reach in so far. So we have this in here. So now we'll put our pieces together and glue them, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.